Hey there, today we're going to talk about subsurface scattering, or SSS, which is a cool way that light moves through translucent objects. Basically, when light enters the surface of an object, it gets scattered around by the material inside before exiting somewhere else. This happens a lot with materials like skin, where most of the light is actually scattered underneath the surface. So, let's say you want to implement subsurface scattering in Unity. First, you'll need to open up an HDRP project, since that's the only renderer pipeline that supports it. Then, import your model and add a directional light. You can also add some area lights, but we'll disable those for now. Next, you'll want to create a new material for your model and change the type to subsurface scattering. But we're not done yet. You'll need to create a diffusion profile and drag it into the material settings. The inspector might tell you to override the diffusion profile to your HDRP global settings. We can simply click Fix or just go to Global Settings, then in Diffusion Profile Assets add it if it is not there. After that, we need to find our render pipeline asset and open up the material settings and make sure that subsurface scattering is enabled. Once that's all set up, you can start playing around with the diffusion settings. Increase the intensity, adjust the color and thickness, and see how it affects the lighting. If you want to make things even cooler, try adding a coat to your model to give it a shiny look. You'll notice a big difference between subsurface scattering and the standard material types. And don't forget to check out what it looks like when you throw light from different angles. The light will penetrate the ears and scatter around before exiting at a different point. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to change the diffusion profile settings to get the most beautiful look possible. Also, I'm trying to implement this feature on URP, so if you want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tutorials, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.